You know, I've been with God for some number of years.
Other side and other side.
Now, I have heard stories of the life of many great men of God that God used. Their good side and their other side. I am a prophet of God.
So you too holy. Now from Nyamini pa. Let me the many years you so. Me Bempah I'm a radium who usubi no baby. But I'm from a tuga. And nunti me conclusion in say me minjini pabieni apart from Christ. Obia nya holy apart from Christ, the anointed one.
Now
Abusia Reverend Owusu Bempah akasa na ne kasa mu Ghana for HSC we dey asa papa twa defense e dey am Ogyaba na wa hyeda me yi nanim na so wo mo muti muti media no so mo dey nsam ne beto ho a wo muti me ba mu hu bebi asem ne free ba ne bebi e connect HSC we dey Reverend Owusu Bempah wo pro e defense e na wo twa e dey ma Ogyaba afenzu e kutia so e na wo bo e dey ma Prophet Kofi Oduro abusia sa defense ne ekutia ne mu nchirimu e na me dey ba beso mo amekai wo say aha e too much say na dey dey kan me e dey share meso ma subscribe ma page na fi o mi adoma no so sa no upload bi ato mu a onsa ebetini abusia ye nyina ye ni Ghana ha say be na watwe me ensani de ene so for pani Ogyaba Prophet Ogyaba ene wa trendy ye pa asofo dodo na ena eka ye edi defending na wo mo kire se nya wo ye nyame nipa no nje se wo ye nyame yeti se bibia kwa akoto otima wa ayi se na wo ye ni nyame aye pesa so de entimi nye yi wo ye nipa nti wo bewie nipa na dodo na asofo dodo na ka edi man nipa ba ko ni oyi nanim ebobo na adwene ya Ghana fo kire se na asem na o kan no do no wo hwe boni anim ka kire boni se we ye boni ene Prophet Kofi Oduro ene wo ma Ogyaba etie ye park ka na adwene ede kire no na enra da kwese da ewo so pani Reverend Owusu Bempah na sorry dem o preaching at the course no ena papa kire se se uye obi na sa se wonni adifo eni a wo say the pan wo ye suspect ye di kan wo hye den kra ho papa wo di ye adwuma no afi ni etoso mienu wo ye sofo obi na sa wo de wo ye holy wo hu ni asem ena wo de wo ye boni wo chiri boni a Reverend Owusu Bempah kire se wo no proti mi bo wo ho mpa ye wo ho akonche ekonyame ni twen nyame ni wo ho ema nyame timi dan esu bi e wo ho a enya wo de wonim se wo de asi no wo dan adi ade kire no eno aye ne etoso mienu nso no wo kire se wo no wati wiase nipa wo gine di ani Kristo wo ye onifi wa asa wonim se nipa ye nipa nti boni wo we ebata nipa ho abusia eno anso a wasan kire se asofo bi mo ha na wo mo kasa edibu edifo adwuma na se edifo adwuma no dibu wo mo nimti a wo mo kasa kire se eni ase wo ye difo ase wo firi nyame bi ase wo hum de gita no enye honhom papa bi no wo kire se mo a mo na mo fra mo se mo ye teacherfo no mo nso mo honhom na gita mo no efiri nyame ana o ma roko ebubo nyame nipa no bi a wo no wo yusu se sa nkrofo no de wo mo ye project busia yenko tie Reverend Owusu Bempah sene wo kan nsem no ene asofo wo bo mu dia wo no susu se wo mo ene ne nusu no wo mo ye kronko
ani nukurem me honhom ene wo mo besom awo nukurem.
Now Jesus said that a time cometh and now is that time that people who worship me shall worship me in spirit and in truth.
Enti mi hunu Yesu honhom through mi gidie.
So I see that the spirit of Jesus is visible to me through my faith.
Bible said baby abenu ana basa behia na Yesu wo ho.
The Bible said where
two ha Yesu wa ha.
Or three people.
The
Bible said where 2 or 3 people are gathered in his name, then Jesus is there. If you believe the scripture, then Jesus is here. So I don't need a portrait of Jesus before I worship him, or the cross of Jesus before I worship him. I am worshiping the spirit of Jesus. Jesus is spirit. When he died, he rose up. He revealed himself to the disciples. They wanted to touch him. He said, don't touch me. He said, Thomas, don't doubt it. I am the one. I am a spirit, but I have manifested myself in the physical realm. Now see my palms where they pierced the nail, and look at my head where the thorns were pierced. The reason I don't want you to touch
I want to present myself. The
reason I don't want you to touch me now is that I must present myself before the Father. My Father must be the first to touch me. So don't touch me yet.
Now, church,
listen to this.
Enkase Jacob yebi ntimi sumi yebi. So he said try say Yesu ameyi bi amfrim na wanfa bi anka ho. Kire say yen hye tro sem nyina ama ntimi koto sori abo no kura mpa a me sum nyame. Yesu nankasa ka say mama se me besai mra no ene adifo no na mo me bai be hye ne ma waba abehye oso a eye obo osom wabeyi afri hodo no ne ho ahyema ensuo na anyama ena mede bia guso ama na ayema sa ayama wi a kamemfa bi enwuso na chese no kwasempa ne se Old Testament na nye complete.
My God.
Bra Yesu nyama aye no ba Yesu ba aye no wababa fulfill through new covenant ama aye complete enti yenyi bi mfrim ne yemfa bi so nka ho.
Now, it is for this reason that you cannot continue to say that Jacob had a stone and worshipped it, so I would also worship a portrait of Jesus, because the Bible said that Jesus did not come to destroy it, he came to fulfill it. Now, the analogy I'm going to give you is, let's say, a barrel which is half empty. The barrel is half empty, so I fetched more water and filled it, and it's now full. Because it is now full, there is no reason you have to fetch another water and fill the barrel. So the Old Testament was not complete. Jesus has come to complete it. He's filled the barrel, so everything is now fulfilled in Jesus.
Enye tokens and symbols. Old Testament in this end time.
So in this end time, it is not all tokens and symbols you can do in this end time.
You can do it.
However, there are some of them that you can do. Now let me teach you something, and then I will continue, God willing, next week. Said I did not come to destroy the law, and I did not come to destroy the prophets.
You are doing something that Christ unpaid.
It means that if there is anybody that is speaking against the acts of the prophets, you are doing something Christ doesn't like.
And me appreciate Doug Hewell Mills.
And so I appreciate Bishop Doug Hewell Mills.
Unlifted prophetic ministry, baby.
Wherever he goes to, he exalts the prophetic ministry.
Also, Nana say Kodie, Sa Kodie. Also, me appreciate no.
And I appreciate Prophet Nana say Sa Kodie so much.
Reverend Eastwood Anaba.
And again, Reverend Eastwood Anaba.
And my spiritual father, Reverend Victor say.
And my spiritual father,
and a prophet,
Reverend Victor say.
Bishop Dr. Kwampuku.
And Prophet Bishop Dr. Kwame Poku.
Finally, me appreciate the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan.
Now, finally, I appreciate the Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams.
Omo appreciate prophets.
Because they appreciate prophets.
Omo lift prophets.
They lift prophets up. They exalt
blessed
the prophetic.
Day.
In Shranka Omo. Listen to this. Jesus said,
Obibia ukuta real spirit of Yeshua HaMashiach, you will never condemn prophets.
Now, the scripture said that
no,
anyone that has the spirit of Yeshua HaMashiach will not condemn a prophet. Anyone in whom the spirit of God dwells, you don't speak against prophets. Don't tell me about their character.
Now, Bible teachers be
Now, do you know the character of some Bible teachers?
Unim pastors bi susu suban.
Or the character of some pastors.
Unim evangelists for subi suban.
Or the character of some evangelists.
Unim apostles bi susu suban.
Or the character of some apostles.
My brother, enye character.
So my brothers and sisters, it's not about character.
Because a character there, no one is perfect.
Because if we have to do a character, then no one is perfect.
Sir, ubetumi and the wabrabo kron kron a pleasing amedia and a yes word so.
Now, if you could please God with your holy and righteous character or behavior, then the death of Jesus is not useful. Now, it does not also mean that deliberately, intentionally, you should go out there and sin.
John the apostle.
That's why John the apostle said, he said, little children, including you and I.
Old.
At the time John was speaking, he was old.
Experience.
So he had so much experience. He had experience
ups and downs
in life, the ups and downs
good
of
side
life,
and bad side.
the good side and the bad side.
The good side and his bad side.
His good side and his bad side. He said, little children, do not sin.
I
thought that he would have put a full stop at the end of that statement. Now, if it were a certain man of God, the man of God would have said, little children, do not sin. Full stop. Now, and he will tell you that if you sin, the curses of God will come upon you. This consequence or that consequence will come upon you if you sin. You know, I am not exalting sin before you.
As a matter of fact,
but nukremu, I've walked with God for some number of years, and I've come to know that men are men. I have been with so many men of God for so many years, and I've come to know that men are men. I have been with so many great men of God, and I've come to know that men are men. And I've been with some righteous people before, and I know that men are just human. I have read the stories and laws of Moses in the Bible, and I got to know that Moses was human. And even people around Moses could not understand him.
Including on one brother and his sister.
Some people even condemned Moses, including his own brother and sister, Aaron and Miriam, concerning a certain woman. And God got angry. God got upset and angry at Abraham. I've studied the life of Abraham.
I'm talking about
the father of our faith,
the friend of God,
the friend of God.
My brother, no,
he was human. Let me end it here. He was human.
Papa,
even Elijah was human. Noah was human. Now, if we listen to what Paul said, I said, those who will do such and such things will not see the glory of God. I'm telling you, that I want to say to you that Paul himself will not have even seen the glory of God. Should I give you a sign?
Paul Ekasa, and Yamo can't send ye, or Kabufu can kunsu, Mpapamu, Ntokakon, but on one on any contokwa domain.
Now, Paul, when he was speaking and talking about these acts of the works and acts and fruits of the flesh which are manifest, he talked about anger, confusion, division, and all that. When Paul's own son offended him, he got angry and he rebuked him and cursed him. You know, I've been with God for some number of years.
enyame yusu omo other side ene omo other side.
Now I have heard stories of the life of many great men of God that God used. Their good side and their other side.
Me odifo.
I am a prophet of God.
So you too holy. Now from nyame nipa. Let me the many asiu so. Me Bempah am a radio mehu usubi no ban bi. Ba me mfa metudwa. Enu nti me conclusion nyina ne say me njini pa bi ani apart from Christ. Obi anya holy apart from Christ, the anointed one.
Now
this is my conclusion.
Now as a prophet of God, if I see a man of God that confesses or says about himself that he's too holy or too righteous, sometimes I can pray to God about that man of God, and God will reveal to me certain things certain skeletons in the cupboard of that man of God. Now my conclusion of the matter is that I don't trust any man as far as holiness is concerned. All the person I trust is God, Jesus Christ. He is the only person I trust. So don't let anyone condemn me. I always say this, that those that condemn you, why don't they condemn themselves first? Your
this is my problem.
And mistakes are evident before them. But they don't see their own faults and mistakes. You must take the log off your eyes before you see the speck in someone else's eye. Now,
because that condemn prophet condemn as a Bible teacher.
Now, some people condemn prophets and talk about their character. You may say that about prophets, but let's say you love money. You have undue love for money, and because of the love you have for money, you have caused problems for others, and some have been incarcerated.
How many times? And after prophets about when chain now what you almost for say we in chair mamonyanisa we mamonyan say we mamonyan say what winning day our from who aja Argentina a diffo I will feel so winning chair warm won't you man now who are dear yanny the end all the woman the yanny the end but you bet me a coach warm because player no in Bob or Bastille here coach.
Now, how many times have you invited prophets, sat them down and taught them, this is wrong, don't do it. This is the way you ought to do it. Don't do such and such. Rather, do it in this manner. Because you are knowledgeable and you are a father. So why don't you teach them what to do and what not to do?
Finally, a deal for almost tokens and symbols account.
Now, the prophetic ministry includes the use of tokens and symbols.
And no dear yes. Now, Jesus did not come. Jesus did not come to stop tokens and symbols. Because it's a daily thing. Worship and praises.
Now, it's a daily thing. God shows us tokens and symbols every day of our lives, and it will continue till the second coming of Jesus, when all things shall cease, when everything apart from praise and worship will cease.
Yes,
when Jesus himself came. Now, when Jesus came, he demonstrated his anointing in all the various aspects of ministry. Now, we saw Jesus demonstrating himself, manifesting like an evangelist. And we saw him manifesting like a prophet.
Bible teacher.
And we saw him manifesting like a Bible teacher, a teacher of the word of the Lord. And we saw him like an apostle also. And we saw him like a prophet. And we saw him like a pastor. A pastor.
Tokens and symbols.
Now in Jesus's ministry as a prophet, there were certain things he used as tokens and symbols that brought the manifestation of God's power and miracles.
And no direction about through inspiration.
Now those things are directions that come through inspiration. Now if we go to the
Entabusia and Samuno and a Reverend Owusu Bempah Edi Ababeguho and my name Nagana for HS Papa. Radio say we when my Baba support say when you best support you say we Nagana for Casamna. Who be beyond the cancer mediafa. So Yonko so far could Yambra Sim say Nasa Gana for Eka. Nasa Opa be defended me who so for Bonezo. Nasa Obasha Chabank High do one bene Nipa Nipana Boni Nipa Honia then the Ghana for Tresse. And some now can they come some ye. Then there's a good house now open me who na bodies and a Kofi do one some now. So no answer you say or portrait was on or you holy Bonibian in Hono. No, my young now one more Tresse. Send your workers out so for Nibino and the teacher for the Nina, a young woman back on a moody juma. Ninsa then asking us for de Bias a Montamongo. I said, Debia consider we are so for the Sayana train, a woman post any before. I said, Debia so for the preaching, Uganda for nature. I said, preaching be a baby and be more a cotia will be, baby will more people be so crumple edges as son and Yamiasam et say, a you can't do for a chaha. It is a assembly for different Uba. That's what preacher or no name media man as one mechanical cannot just say. Wo bo bia kuti anase wo fo abone so e nyame asem no na odiegu ho wenum no ene afamie no a eba yes after se video yi ebeto bonte so Ghana fo kire wo madwe a me de ababeso mu medime de se wo so wo adwenkyire bi ya opese wo kire meso no waja wo comment section ho eja mame na afo wo mi subscribe button so e too much gh e ya kai se wo de bell no ebeka ho ye ne sa na upload ni to mu ana wo sa etimi edikayaka all the social media handles so ko wa e too much gh also eya kai so be like no wa share ama wo ni ebinso enye biahwe makra